Hello guys, hello. Hi. Welcome na naman sa isang edisyon ng ating ukulele tutorials. I'm Adi and this is my channel Chord, where you can learn your favorite songs on ukulele. Okay, so ang aaralin natin this day is requested by a friend on Facebook. Shoutout to Aloy. Yo, Loy, kamusta? This is Balisong by Rivermaya. It's either Balisong or Balisong. May mga theories na sinulat daw to sa Bali, Indonesia. May mga theory na sinulat sa Batangas. I don't know which is true. Pero ang alam ko lang is maganda tong song na to. So first we have to make sure that our ukulele is tuned properly. So our tuning is in C standard, G, C, E, A. It should sound like this. Yan, ganyan. Okay, so technically there are 6 chords in this song. Let's start with the verse chords and intro chords and verse chords. So it's like this. Bar chord here and then here. This is C sharp minor, C sharp minor, and then next chord is D major 7, bar chord here and then here. Wait, let me just close my window. Okay, we're back. So C sharp minor and then D major 7. So yun yung chords for intro and verse. And then for chorus, A, just like this, or you can put your ring finger here, A9. This is A9. Para siyang G chord. And then E minor, or pwedeng ganito din. Mas trip ko yung ganito kasi mas buo yung tunog. And then B minor, bar chord here and then here, and then D minor, so here. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's start with the intro. So isang pluck lang siya yung intro. So it's like this. Your face lights up the sky and the highway. Someday you share your world with me. Someday. And then verse. You mesmerize me. Same chords with diamond eyes. I try to prove myself. I think I'll be alright, but I am losing all control. No mama, nobody, and my soul. My di ba? Ayan, so, technically, yun lang yung tutorial natin today. O nga pala, sa nagtatanong, ang gamit kong ukulele ay from Clifton. Binili ko siya 180 yata or 19, hindi ko na maalala. So may nagtatanong kasi kung anong gamit kong ukulele. So Clifton, baka naman. Baka naman Clifton. Ayan, so I think that's it. Shout out to my anak Tudi. Hi Tudi, hi. I miss you so much. So ingat kayo lagi during this pandemic. Hugas na kamay, wear your mask, your face mask, or kung ano mang suot ng gobyerno. So again, this is Adi, and this is my channel, Chord, where you can learn your favorite song on ukulele. Bye guys. Ciao.